Now, there's no need for Garmin Connect or online edits. Before implementing your PacePro pace strategy on the watch, simply choose a route directly on your watch, provided it has preloaded maps and a previously set route. It's important to note that if the route is created directly on the watch, the PacePro feature won't be applicable. Unlock the full potential of your running training with PacePro. Watch our video tutorial for a step-by-step guide on utilizing this feature strategically. Please refer to this related video. This video shows you how to add a PacePro plan to your watch. Select an outdoor activity on your watch. Long press the Up menu button. Select Training. Scroll down to PacePro Plans. Select Create New. Select a course. Set PacePro goal. Enter your goal pace or goal time. Press the Start button to confirm. Start using the plan. The watch will prompt you to enable course navigation. Once loaded, you'll have a visual of your running training right on your wrist, complete with a breakdown of each split pace compared to the goal pace, calculating the optimal speed adjustments for your best overall performance. For more details, check out support.garmin.com.